Alright, let's go.
Okay.
We are on our way to go take a hike.
Yeah.
Ty has been wanting to go on a hike for a minute now. It's just the girls, Kane, and I. Mr. Smith's at home watching football. It is Sunday and his off day. And Junior is at home catching up on some schoolwork. And he just didn't want to take a walk, so he decided to stay home. So we're about to hit up these trails and enjoy some nature time. We out here. About to get ready for our little nature walk. Yeah, so we all got our
bingo.
chucks on.
Converse.
Girl, my day we call them Chuck. They ain't got them on too. Chuck Taylor.
And they call them trucks too.
One thing I do not like is a water fountain, y'all. Come on, let's go.
No.
Oh, so. You ready to go?
No.
Okay.
It does smell like eggs.
Let's move along. Let's go, big boy. Come on. Back on the trail.
Okay. I'm gonna go.
Uh-oh. Not the sprinkling, we just got a soup, Chris. Let's go underneath the thing over there. It's just passing through. Oh my gosh. Come on. Run, go ahead and run, Ty. Go ahead, King. You want to stay with Mommy? Come on. She's trying to make that soup, Chris, last, you guys. We need that thing to last as much as we paid. Let's go. Alright, so we're letting this rain pass right quick so we don't mess up her hair. And they're taking photos.
I'm going to get on this one.
Be careful.
No. Here, Mom, take a 0.5 from me.
Okay. Come on, Kane, so you don't fall down. Let me help
So
you.
you got to go there and I'll be...
She got me standing on tables.
I'm on the
These
table.
Gen Z things. So we're doing a 0.5 photo. I go up here? Is it on 0.5? 1, 2.
Did you take it?
Yeah, I took a few. Look at Kane. Get off this table. Let's go. Come on, big boy.
Oh, we ain't walking through this now.
Look at this. Oh my
Do
God.
that.
Careful, Kane. I feel like I don't hear any more rain.
Ow. Mommy, remember I did this last
Ooh, no, we gotta practice this straight.
Mommy,
Yeah.
Mom, remember I did this last time but on a circle table?
Yeah, I remember. I have video and picture. Whoa! What are you got going on, girl? Look at that. Let's move along. The rain has passed.
Let's go.
Good thing they had this little coverage area time.
Mom,
Let's
look,
go on
I'm
our
gonna
hike.
jump off this ramp.
Mhm.
I think it's a... No, it's not a ramp. It doesn't go down. It's just that.
Oh, yeah. Alright, let's move along. Did you want a 0.5 over there still?
No.
Is the sprinkling done?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go, y'all.
It's been a while since we've been on these trails. I have video. Matter of fact, I'm going to show y'all right now video of the last time we were out here with Junior. Oh, be careful!
There's too much rock.
The house? Go ahead. You can walk on it. area? Is it a...
What is that there?
Oh, they probably got plans for that to open that up to something eventually.
Don't do that. That's what
Or it's just a thinking area. It's so relaxing on these trails.
It's gonna take like the whole day to get past this trail.
And I feel really safe on these trails.
I don't. Because we can't even look outside. It's just a whole bunch of trees.
So relaxing.
I'll tell you what I want to run the rest.
I don't think it goes like that. If you want to be my lover. Shout out to the Marine Corps. Hoorah. Is that what it is? Hoorah. My dad is a Marine.
Watch your baby from right here.
Oh, he has two sisters. Come here, Kane. We don't need you rolling down into that.
Look at the dirty water again.
You don't need no more rocks. Come on.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the park next. Don't worry. We just gotta go. Oh, they got a putting green now. They added so much stuff here, you guys. I really like this park and trail. They have, so we're coming up on a putting green. They also have, like, you know, for artists who like to do spray painting, they have a place where you can spray. Oh! You can spray paint and do your art as long as there's no profanity. And they'll keep it up there for a while or until the next artist comes along. If I see one along the trail, another one, I'll get some video of that. It's just really nice out here.
The video of what?
Those little billboards where you could do your spray paint artwork. I'm sweating. Kane has the perfect shirt on today for the hike. And he's enjoying himself, so he's gonna have himself a good little nap. So that's a little putting green they added. That wasn't here a couple years back. You can literally walk down there, but I don't want to make y'all go downhill. Y'all, what's up?
I will.
Can I go? I'm gonna go down.
It's steep. Be careful. Whew. We made it. I'm sweating. We're out here.
I'm ready to go home.
Stroller all the way up there. These girls want to explore.
I like to explore.
Kane's exploring. He's got his rocks. Show me your rocks.
Let's pick it up more.
Show me your rocks.
Okay, then let's go.
Let's go. Hey. Not nummy. You can't eat that. You're gonna get real sick. That's not nummy nummy. That's yucky. Let's go. I am sweating up a storm.
I barely sweat.
But yeah, you can go off trail. I've been off trail with the girls before, but Kane's too little and I got this big old stroller, so we're not gonna go off trail today. But you can go all up in the woods. Huh?
One of the things you spray paint.
Oh, one of the spray paint things. Yeah. Let me show y'all when I get up close. The zoom doesn't work very good. But it's just like a billboard, and you can show off your artwork and skills.
It's some horror movie stuff right there. They got a little suit thing hanging.
Someone just threw that shirt in there.
I want to see.
No, I know. Just throw your thing there. Eaten by a creature.
All right, so we're gonna go off trail right quick. Here, it's just literally right off. Kane's getting in his seat. We got some rocks along the way. Show me your rocks, buddy. Wow. All right, sit down. Let's go. I'm right with you, girl. We're off trail, y'all. Well, we're still on trail, but into the forest type thing.
Woo, y'all, look at that. Look at the turtles. There was 2 turtles on the wheel.
Oh, look at all this litter, though. But,
Oh, that's the stuff.
yeah. Let's go.
Why are there
Keep
tires
going.
in there?
These people are just not doing right by Mother Nature. And I don't like that. Kane doesn't want to sit in a stroller, but he doesn't want to walk either.
Are you sure this is a trail?
Well, he does want to walk, but this is dangerous for him to just walk.
Are you sure?
Careful, Ty. You got it?
I need to take a picture real quick, y'all.
I promised Chloe I would let her play in the park after, if she still had energy after her walk. And where he go? Look at Ty.
I just fall back.
Don't fall back. I'm not gonna be able to catch you.
What?
Hey, Chloe.
Oh, Chloe, am I going to swing thing?
Okay.
Y'all say it. Don't say when it's out, okay?
Push me, and I have to use my legs to push her.
Here you go.
She keeps making me push it. My legs hurt.
Come on, Mom.
Hey, Ken. What's he doing? Hey, Ken. It's the market. What are you selling? Hmm?
There you go.
Thank you. Hey, be careful. Hold on. Be careful. What y'all got going on? It is hot. But it was a good day. Had fun. The weather's nice. Nice skies. Good vibes. Our shoes are right though. I just sprayed that stuff on that we bought at Journeys on their shoes, so Chloe and Ty's shoes aren't that bad. But me and Kay, let me see your shoes. Let me see. What they looking like?
The back of my legs?
No, your shoes.
Oh.
See, theirs aren't that bad. We just need a magic eraser for the white part.
Whoa!
That's what the rails are there for, to keep you up. And you just run, run, run. Hold on, his fingers though.
Oh!
Careful. It's a workout. Careful, Kane.
Whoa!
Careful.
He said, whoa! Oh!
These mosquitoes out here are bad. Kane already got bit up a couple days ago, but I know we about to come home to discover quite a few mosquito bites because they was out attacking. Kane, is that fun? Hey.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Run, 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 run!
populace. Yeah, no, there's no stopping this. Yeah.
We had ourselves a good sweaty time.
Mom, on Friday, we learned about irregular words, which were hard words.
You learned about irregular words?
Irregular words.
What did you learn about irregular words?
That if there's a letter that makes the wrong sound, then that's an irregular word. And it's also
Come on, baby.
and you have to remember it by heart, so it's also called a heart word.
Okay. Ty's ready to go. Did you have a good time?
Yeah.
This way, Kane.